Hi everyone, it's Deborah and I'm going to show you this new Tim Holtz wallpaper, and then I'm going to make something with one of the sheets. So you get the packet, and in the packet there are 24 sheets, and I think you get 12 designs, 12 designs and 2 of each. So that's what we're going to have a look at. They're very beautiful. I believe they're taken from real original vintage wallpaper that they've scanned in. Look at them, they're so gorgeous. I think I had this one on the wall of my house when I was young. My mum's house. Anyway, it's beautiful. Yeah, there's 2 of that. Look at this. They're so pretty, and they're very, very subtle and just beautifully vintage. That one's a bit bright. I have to dull that down, but still nice. Until you get them out of the packet, you can't actually see what they're like. It's a bit hard seeing them in there. This one's gorgeous. It's in browns and beautiful teal colours. Gorgeous. How pretty are these? Oh, that's really old-fashioned. Look at that. Okay, well, let's embrace the fact that they are gorgeous and they're vintage wallpapers. So I love the actual feel of them too. They feel like a wallpaper. They don't feel like paper. They're just beautiful. And I thought I'd do something with them. So why not use this one? Just thinking what I can do. I could do a little flip out. I'm really into making little journaling spots at the moment. Don't know why. It's just this week or the last couple of weeks I've been thinking, why not make more journaling spots? I'm just grabbing my scoring tool because this isn't paper. It does have a coating on it, so it does need to be burnished. And I think I can make something with this one. Put some stuff in here. I've got some system cards, 5 of them, and I've cut them down. Didn't have to cut much off them to fit in here. And I know because they're thick that I'm going to have to do a fold across the top with them. I will work out where I need to fold that. Probably give it an inch or something. Now these are 5 inches across, so I wanted to mark just with my pencil. So I want 2 eyelets in here. So if I do an inch in on either side, so I'm coming in 4 inches, and I'm using quite a large eyelet. So I need to be, probably here. And then in on an inch on the other side. So I'll just measure that up. And can't find the spot that I marked. There it is. Hard to see on the wallpaper. And I've got my big bite, and I have these big eyelets which are the 3/16 of an inch, but they've got a big flat surface on them. Just pop this in here and mark it. And I'm going to find, oh, there it is. Oh, tipped it out. I've set those, and they've gone through there quite well actually. I've scored it at the 1 inch mark, and all I did was score it and then open it and then keep scoring right through till the back page. I didn't score the back page, but I've scored the rest of them, and now I'm just putting some ribbon in. So I think this ribbon looks quite nice. I'll put this in here, see if it'll go through. I'll just make sure that it's nice and flat on the back before I tie it up at the front. And this is really quick and easy little journaling spot. I was going to make this with some offcuts that I have, and I still might, but because I just got this wallpaper, I just had to go out to my local scrapbook shop. Well, I didn't have to, but I wanted something because I was doing some more of my storage and I'd run out of things, and because of that I thought I'd just pop out there and grab it. And of course that led to looking at the shelf where all the new Tim Holtz was. So that's why I ended up buying these, and tie it up. And I think that that might look alright. Not sure if I want a bow. I don't think I want a bow here. I think I'll just tie it in a knot. And then trim that off a little bit because that ribbon's probably too long now. There you go. I've got this cute little journaling spot. So that's one of them. So you can also do this with paper. I have this paper which is just under 4 inches wide, and I'm not sure, it probably might be 12 inches long or 11 inches, but it's quite a good size for doing journaling. And with this one, I'm just going to see what papers I've got that I can put in here. So these are offcuts of paper again that I've had, and I'm going to do a similar thing with this one. I'm going to put the paper sideways because the butterfly is sideways, so I want to be able to open it like this. I'll leave it hanging out there for now until I get it all in, and then I will cut that off. So I'm just thinking, will I do a similar thing to this? I might actually. This is not as thick because I don't have as many papers in it, and plus it's not the thick wallpaper. But I think I'll do a similar thing that I just did. So I finished 2 of these little journaling spots. This is done with the wallpaper cover, and this is done with a little offcut of paper. I've scored that now, so it'll flip back really easily when you're wanting to write in it. And they're fantastic to put in your journals. This is Deborah. Thanks for joining me. Cheers.